Today I have some amazing finds, the best finds from Walmart for you. Great to wear all summer, some natural fiber items, kind of like, I would say more trendy, modern things, but some classic looks as well. So I have a whole array. So make sure you stay for all the outfit inspo. But if you are in the market for any new pieces at super affordable prices, everything will be linked down below. And be sure to ask me any questions. So we are going to go over the pieces. I'll let you know any details that I think you'd want to know. Sizing info, because I did have a few issues with some, so you'll definitely want to know if you love online shopping like I do, which I absolutely prefer to online shop at Walmart. I just get overwhelmed and I feel like I can't really see everything the way they display it in the store. So I certainly love shopping online, and it's super easy. Everything comes very quickly, and then they have an easy return. You just box everything up and take it down to FedEx, or they can come pick it up. Super easy returns if the stuff doesn't work out for you or doesn't fit. So I love shopping at Walmart, and they're just on the cutting edge of so many great items at just really affordable prices. So I did find so many great items. I'm actually gonna need to split this video up in two so I can get this out to you ASAP, because this stuff does sell out. So if you see it in your size, definitely scoop it up. And this one's gonna be shorts, pants, skirts, tops, and then I'm gonna do a separate one with dresses because I found so many great dresses. So make sure you subscribe so you are notified when that video comes out. All my stats are at the very bottom of the description box if you're wondering my size, weight, things, all of that. And I also put my outfit of the day at the end of the video, and I will give you some details on this great dress from this company that I just found. Not a new company, but newer. And so we'll talk about that at the end. So let's jump in. Okay, first up, this 100% cotton maxi skirt, which online they are not showcasing well, but once I put this on with the red top, I fell in love. So this is available in size extra small to 4X, so you can definitely find one in your size, and I find it so versatile. Only $30 for this great natural fiber material, and I love the pattern. I think it's so Americana, summertime, great. Really all summer long, but specifically with July coming up, I think this is a must-have. So I love that it has medium-sized buttons all the way up and down the front, so you can create your own slit, which is what I did. But if you want something a little more conservative, you don't want it blowing open, you can certainly button that all the way down. It does have the elastic waistband in the back, but a streamlined look in the front, and then a little drawstring so you can nip it in just a tad more. I think a beautiful piece to have on hand. Definitely really loved the coloring, fit, everything about this. And where I have been loving picking up just basic tees is from Walmart, and their ribbed scoop neck is definitely one to have on hand. I picked this red up in a size small, and I just find it goes with so many things. It's got a great weight, like a medium weight, so it's not see-through, soft. It's a cotton tinsel blend with a little bit of spandex. Just a perfect arm covering, a nice length, which is hard to find these days because everything seems to be cropped when I'm in stores. So just a great basic tee. Definitely have some of these on hand in your closet. They're great for, you know, to pair with skirts, shorts, or even a great pair of jeans for a date night. Easy wear. Okay, and speaking of date night, I think this cute little 90% cotton handkerchief top by Jessica Simpson is wonderful to have on hand. I paired it with just a pair of jeans. It would be great for a date night or girls' night out. I love it because it has kind of that sexy bust line still. You get a little pizzazz there. It's got a nice little ruffle. It does have adjustable straps as well, so you can kind of have it as high or low as you want. But I love the forgiving midsection. So you could wear this to a barbecue too, out great in the middle of the day. And I love the coloring. It's a nice neutral coloring with just a light pinstriping and a metallic thread running through. So cute. And then the lace at the bottom. Just a lot of really great details. It's only $29, comes in extra small to extra large. It does have a cotton lining as well. Now I did pair this with some, I think they're mid to low rise 7 denim jeans. So if you do not want any midsection showing, I would say pair them with high-waisted. So it is, I wouldn't say cropped, but it is a shorter top. Definitely unique. And for the price to have a trendy top like this, I mean, I could see this being sold at Anthropologie for like 60 bucks. So good quality, add a little sparkle, great top to kind of spice up any jeans or shorts that you have. Okay, next up, this cute little romper, and this is where the sizing saga starts. So this is from No Boundaries, and I love the coloring. This is in a size small. It is available from extra small, double extra small to double extra large, so a lot of sizes. Only $18. And look at the coloring. It reminds me of the Lily Pulitzer brand. So pretty, so fun. Now, I am on the taller side. I'm 5'8", and most of my height is in my legs. So I wanted to show you guys this, but it is short on me. I mean, this is like bathing suit length for me, like a little skirted bathing suit length, but I loved it so much. So if you are shorter than me, or you like short, you know, little outfits, then this could work for you, but it is such good quality. So I'm actually going to try it in a size medium and see if it's a little bit longer, but really, you know, No Boundaries, Walmart, please make this a little bit longer. I love it so much. So the whole top is smock, so you get a perfect fit. It has a little ruffle all around. And part of the downfall was I felt these straps were not long enough. So they are adjustable, and I had them all the way down, and that's as low as you could wear it. But I love this V with the ruffle. I think that just gives a flattering shape. And then of course the skirt is just so cute. I wish it was like 2 inches longer. And then it has the little shorts with trim as well. So even if that blows up a little, you have some coverage there. Just overall, the color, quality, price, so good. So if you're shorter, definitely pick one of these up. I think it's adorable. I wish it was longer, but I am gonna try medium before I give up. Okay, the next outfit, this long, stretchy rayon, mostly rayon skirt in this cool zebra print. It also comes in a really cool pink as well. I picked this up in a size small. I liked how that fit. I didn't find it too see-through, but I would wear a slip with it. And this is available in double extra small to 4X and only $9. So definitely great to have on hand. Definitely looks like it costs way more than it was. And I've actually already worn this out and got several compliments. It's kind of neat because it's a cream and brown instead of the classic zebra, you know, black and white or black and cream. So a little different. It does have this little fold over band to give you a little more coverage there. And then you can nip it in with the drawstring there. No slits or anything, really stretchy, nice length. So overall for $9, I think a great skirt for the summertime. Next up, this super cute tank. Now I will say it is from one of the off brands at Walmart, but when I saw it, I had to scoop it up and try it out because Free People was selling a top like this, I think for $30 or $40. And this was only $15 at Walmart. And I actually like this material blend a little bit better. It's a little softer, a little thicker, so it's not quite as see-through. Now, the one I got, I picked up in a size large. It's only available in small, medium, and large. I'm normally a size small in tops, but I knew just from trying this at other places that I wanted it not super tight. So I went for large and I liked how that fit. I also picked it up in white, but I will say it's cream. So if you're similar size to me, I would say size up. I think they're calling it cropped too. I did not find it cropped. So size up in this one if you can, if you're small like me, and I think it's a beautiful top. I love the, you know, color on color texture. I like the straight neckline. I like that the straps are thicker so your bra straps don't show through. I think just a nice neutral top really that you could wear all year round. So again, only available small, medium, large, only $15, really pretty, definitely worth the money. Oh, and this does come in several other colors if this white/cream is not for you. Okay, another one I didn't love as much until I put it on, and that is these 100% cotton beach pants. So I think a great item to, one, wear any day on those hot days when you need a little more coverage, but also, you know, maybe a bathing suit cover up or something. But I love this light blue, this ice blue, just so pretty. And it feels like you're wearing pajamas, but because of the little cords with the tassels, I think that dresses it up just enough that it doesn't look like pajamas, but it feels like it because they're so comfy. It does have a stretch band waist, and these cinch. Oh, no, they don't cinch in, but you can tie them. So they're just for decoration. I picked this up in a size small, and I love that. I also love the length. It's saying it's 31.5 inches. I'm normally a 34-inch inseam, but these, because of the waistband, you can wear them a little higher, a little lower. It does have pockets. I like the stripes. The pant line is pretty classic. There's nothing extravagant or crazy going on. So a nice classic that you could pair with a lot of different tops, and they're just super comfy. And these are available in double extra small to 4X, only $15. And they also come in a pink shade. So a great item that I think will get a lot of use on the hot days all summer long. Okay, next item, some short alls. And these have been making a comeback for a few years. I've been seeing them everywhere, but then when Walmart had them, only $19, 99% cotton, I was like, okay, time to try them. So I did style them up like I did in the 90s, you know, one side off. I actually don't know if that's the cool way to wear them or not, but I thought how cute for like a little, you know, if you're walking around a little beach town or out at the lake or a little fair or something, they just kind of give me like a little bit of a country vibe. I thought that was super cute. And I would say it is a lighter weight denim, so it's not gonna be too hot. I did pick this up in a size medium as well. So I would say size up. If you want them even looser, you might wanna size up too, but they do have 2 side slotted pockets and 2 patch pockets in the back. Overall, a really nice fit. They do have a folded up end, but you can, you know, probably snip that and roll them down a little bit more. I do have most of the height in my legs, so things look shorter on me. But I think that overall, like for the price especially, these are a great item. If you have been wanting to try out some overalls, short alls, this is a classic wash, a nice fit, and of course a really great price. And these do come in double extra small to double extra large. Next up, these 76% cotton shorts are adorable. They kind of have a cotton poplin finish feel. They do have an elastic band waist. I think it's the, is it the cigarette band waist where it's kind of ruffled at the top? I think really cute. It does have a drawstring in the same color, and then just the eyelet detail at the bottom, so it almost looks like a little skirt. Really cute. No pockets or anything in the back, and it does have side slotted pockets that are pretty good size, so that is nice there. And these do come in extra small to 3X, under $20, and there are a few colors. So if you need another pair of shorts, just something to kind of a little dressier, then these are a lovely option, super airy and lightweight. And I did want to showcase the white tee that I was wearing with all of those. It's the same as the first red one, but in white, and usually in white I'll size up one. But I did not find this too see-through, fine to wear on its own, great to go with anything. I love the scoop neck, arm coverage, length, definitely, again, great item to have on hand. Okay, next up, this No Boundaries set. I had to try it out. It didn't work out for me, but it's so cute. I have to tell you about it. So you do get the pants and the top, and I just loved the coloring. So it's kind of got a tan, a lime green, a pink, a kind of brick color, and a dark brown. So lots of cool colors going through. I just really loved it. The pants do have a shorts lining, which I really liked. I picked this whole thing up in a size small, and I would prefer it in a larger size. So I would say size up if you're getting this, so that the pants are a little more flowy. It does have a elastic waistband, so you can wear it as high or low as you like. Drawstring in the same tone, love that. And I love the lightweight flowy pant feel. No slits or anything at the bottom, so really classic. I love the length. And the small pants, they would work for me, but I think I would just prefer a medium. And the problem I had was with the top, which is so cute, but it was way too short. So I was like, I absolutely can't even try this on to show you because it is actually just a bra top. So it does have the elastic in the back, and then it does have lining. So, you know, if the girls stay up on you, or you have a really nice strapless bra, and you don't mind your midsection showing, I think this is so cute. It's such a cute set and so affordable. It has the little bit of lace trim at the end with little seashells. So super, super cute, not see-through, just really good quality. Even the top band has the silicone, which I love on strapless tops because that helps it stay up and not slide down. And then you have this beautiful band beautiful, you know, tie that you can put a nice big bow. Really, really cute overall. And this does come in double extra small to double extra large, $20 for 2-piece set. So I think I'm gonna, because I love the coloring. Oh, and it does have pockets, side slotted pockets, no pockets in the back. I think I'm gonna try it in a medium. I would not wear it together because it's just, that doesn't work for me, but I like tying the band around the pants and then just pairing it with another tank top because I just think it's so unique. And did I mention it has metallic thread running through, which I like. I think that's just fun and a little classier for a summer look. So I think worth a try, but size up and know that this top is actually a tube top, like bra, strapless bra coverage situation, not any kind of shirt. And maybe my most favorite wearable, because I could just see me wearing this outfit just to go grocery shopping, run errands, easy breezy, but just really cute, I think. And starting off with these linen blend shorts, which I absolutely loved. I love the waistband with the ruffled top. It does have a drawstring, so you can nip it in a little bit more in the same tone. I love this shade of red. It is a true red, like I call it the Ralph Lauren red, is my favorite red. The back has no pockets. There are side slotted pockets, and I love the length. And the end is got like a hem. It's finished off. So I think they just look really classy, really high end, not see-through. And then I just love the drapiness. It's just a beautiful, lightweight, pretty short. I picked these up in a size small. I loved how they fit, felt, everything about them. And these are available in extra small to 3X under $18. Several other colors available as well. Beautiful short to have on hand. And the top is so adorable. 95% cotton, only $9. And it's available from double extra small to double extra large. And just a twist on a classic tee and a good top to have in the summertime. I love the USA, so it has kind of a gingham, a little floral, and then little stars. So you get all the colors with a little pattern, $9, classic ribbed tank top, but with just a little extra Americana in it. So, so cute. And I actually like the length. It wasn't too short. So definitely a cute top to have on hand and really something you can wear all year round layered. Okay, that was a lot of pieces. Hopefully you found this helpful, enjoyable, entertaining. Be sure to share this with a friend if they love Walmart. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I would love to have you back. And for my outfit of the day, this dress is from a new company that I found. I think they started in 2019. They have their own online storefront. I've actually also seen them at Nordstrom, and that is VC. So I picked up a couple things and I was like, wow, I really like this. So I ordered a few more and I'm gonna do a whole haul. So you will get a closer look, but I just love the colorings in this dress. It has little tassels that you can tie, and it's a pretty deep V, but I pinned it and I thought it was great. I love the length. Just a really, I would say, mid-tier price company. So definitely check them out. I'll have the outfit, all the outfit details linked down below. Ask any questions. Let me know your thoughts on Walmart, the outfits, and also what you're up to this summer. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, make sure to hit that like button so YouTube will press this video out to more ladies. I am going to work on the Walmart dress video next, so that will be coming next round. So make sure you're subscribed for that. And I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.